Welcome to 2015, back on the couch here at Geelong Financial Group. This year we'll be running similar education video sessions as we did last year. I have with me today Lee Voss, our commercial self-managed super fund finance manager here at Geelong Financial Group, and we're just going to have a bit of a chat on the couch about what's happening in the world of commercial finance. First of all, Lee, you've been at Geelong Financial Group for a number of years now, and obviously had a huge impact over that time. And I thought it would be a good opportunity to let the audiences out there know exactly what you do at Geelong Financial Group.
Thanks, Simon. I've been here for 4 years in April, and the time's absolutely flown. I look after the commercial equipment and self-managed super fund space. Finding it very different to what I was doing prior to coming over at major banks, in that I guess the options and the world of finance is very different rather than being singlised at one institution. So the options that we've got now are significantly better as
Fantastic.
We've grown the business.
Yeah, good. And how do you find working? Obviously we're a small business, we're a staff of 20 here, as compared to a major bank where you did work. How do you find, I suppose, the interaction and the closeness and togetherness as compared to a major?
Working here with the staff and working closely with our smaller team, we find we can get in touch with the clients more regularly, keep a closer handle on what's actually going on, and really get a hands-on approach instead of being weighed under with meetings, and we can actually work for the customer instead of the banks.
Fantastic. And having a range of, I know obviously being more working on the residential side, but having a range of different funders obviously gives you options, and you've been able to, I know personally, you've been able to assist my commercial position with finance and other clients. Have any great successes, without naming people, come to mind where we've really improved a person's positions by choice of bank and also product?
A lot of the banks all have their special niches, so being able to meet the client's expectations and going to that particular bank, knowing what all the banks specialise in, I guess has been a benefit to clients. Rather than going back to their regular bank, we can quite often get them a better product at a better price that meets their needs more efficiently.
So it's not all about rate, generally speaking, is it? There's other things to consider?
No, service is the number one thing that we look for, so we want to make sure the client's getting looked after, and that's just important as price and flexibility.
Fantastic. I think that is the culture of Geelong Financial Group, where we really want to look after the client, and benefits are we can price match and come up with really good products at prices. Would you agree?
Absolutely.
And vehicle and equipment finance, another area you look after. Obviously, looking after people purchasing their flash cars and their equipment for their business. How's that area travelling?
That area is actually going really well. It's going from strength to strength. We're certainly growing in that space. There's 5 of us there now, so it's come a long way in the last couple of years. And rates at the bank and products are certainly very competitive, and interest rates are lower than they've ever been. So we're finding that clients are certainly looking for new cars and equipment and updating more regularly than they used to.
Fantastic. Thanks for your time today, Lee. It's short and sharp here at GFG. Thanks for giving us a little bit of insight into commercial and vehicle and equipment finance, and we certainly appreciate everything you do for our clients here. Thank you, Lee.